Welcome guys. This is a review uh, following up on the qualification of my forex funds. We finally qualified. We went through the challenge. We had the phase 1. I shared that in an earlier video. We had the phase 2. We finished. We smashed phase 2 as well. We smashed phase 1, and then we got welcomed. They told us to submit. After finishing phase 1, they told us to submit our information, KYC information. The link was up here for submitting. We submitted that information. After submitting that information, we got this email where they said, "Congratulations, Peter. The funded MyFF funded account is now active," and they asked me to verify my account. They asked us to click on that button and then provide the necessary information, the ID, proof of residence, which I did provide. I provided that to them. They did have a couple of issues with my proof of residence address. I sent them a utility bill and sent them another. And yeah, I'm finally in. And this here shows the demo account. And this is the MT4. This is the demo account. You can see that's actually evaluation phase 2 was also smashed. And then this is the live account right here. It's clean. It's at 5,000. We are hoping to push this through and show you guys how we could make small living out of this using our normal price action, support, resistance, supply, demand, and liquidity concepts. Yeah, that's basically what we're going to be trading. General basic price action without complicating it. Someone once said that if you can't explain your trading to a young child to understand, then you're probably overcomplicating it. That's enough for another day. So let's go through some of the trades that we did that took us over that mark. You see, we finished the 5%. Let's look at the account history. Yeah. So we started off with selling CADCHF. In fact, this is the very chart. We sold CADCHF. We entered there, sold off there. We didn't hold up to here because we wanted to utilize the 5 days the minimum of 5 days that we have. Otherwise, if had we left only this trade here, we would have completed the challenge, because this trade alone earned us about 17 plus 16, that is 33. It's about 14. 33 plus 16 is about 49. So if we had let it go, we would have finished the challenge in that one trade. But one, we're trying to teach ourselves to practice. And then if hadn't we taken this, would have been stopped at, because you see our stop loss was put somewhere up there. And we're targeting this level that had been respected before. Price came back to that level, almost took us out, then came down. Yeah, we took that small profit and we entered 3 positions, 1, 2, and 3, and then we're out of that trade. That was on the 20th. Yeah, that was on the 20th of July. Yes, on the 20th again we had a buy on GBPCAD here. Let's just drop that in there. Yeah, we had a buy here on GBPCAD, so we entered in there, and still we got out for a tiny profit, though it would have been more. So we had 3 trades of those stacked. Actually, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Yeah, had a couple of them stacked. GBP Canadian dollar. Reason you're not seeing this clearly is let's just scroll that there. Yeah, price had reached a level. Price had reached this level here. Yeah, which it had respected before around here. So we knew it was time for price to go up. As usual, we do not predict the market. We put a stop loss. As you can see, for all our trades, there's a stop loss and there's a take profit. And so these trades made a couple of pips and we got out because we wanted to keep the trade going. We'll also practice holding the trades for a longer period of time to see how they can mature. But that was it. Even this trade, had we let it go, would have taken us to good profits. The next trade we did was this on the 22nd, where we had a lot of losers. We had Australian dollar, US dollar. This was a losing trade right there. This was a fat finger mistake. I intended this to be a sell, but I entered a buy, so I took it out completely. And once I make a mistake like that, I don't want to second guess myself. I took it out immediately. And the next trade I entered was USD CAD. USD CAD, where you? Yeah, USD CAD was a buy. It went against me. The trade eventually worked out because that's what we were hoping for. It went against me and I took it out as well. Here I had 3 positions of those. You can imagine I had a bit of drawdown there. And I got back in again. Yeah, I got back in a second time. I think it was a little lower. I took profit again. And that was on the 22nd. I got back in again on at this level. Once it got a little lower here, I got back in. But these I was following. All these levels that I'm entering are responding to this level that was respected before, and this level that was respected before. So I'm using those levels for my entries. I'm not just entering randomly. I'm using them for my levels. Yeah. I'm using those levels for my entry. I'm not just entering randomly because I know if price respected this level before, it's bound to respect it again. If price respected this level before, to respect it again. Same occurs in history. So I had a couple of entries of these. This pushed me up a couple. That was on the 22nd. You notice my trades, I usually take one currency pair, but I stack them based on how the trade is going. One currency pair, almost the whole day, one currency pair. So I noticed that earlier in the challenge I was trading so many pairs and I would make mistakes. But here I learned that I could trade one currency pair and that currency pair would earn me the results that I wanted. Okay, so on the after that I didn't trade on 23rd, 24th. The next trade I had was on 25th. I traded Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Yeah, and that was the trade right there. Same concept. I knew price was coming into a place that had been respected before. There will be buyers around here. And once again, there were buyers. I had a small profit right there. I had another one, I think, which was similar. Yeah, similar to that. You'll notice this, the take profit and stop loss for these tiny trades. Yeah, I entered those. That there indeed price came down up to down here, but it respected and went into profit. The next I took that day was NZDJPY, and same concept. Price respected this zone here, and we were in profit again. And you notice I didn't wait up to take profit there. At this point in time, I was just waiting for me to hit the 250 mark. So once it went by a couple of dollars, I closed my trade. Unknown to me, there was the rule of 5 days. That's where this sale of CADCHF comes in. I kept on looking at my evaluation account and they are not sending me a notification telling me that I had completed phase 2. I had hit the profit target, I had gotten all the rules correct, but I hadn't finished the 5-day trading rule. You must have traded for 5 or more days. So this was the trade on the 5th day. And immediately I did this, it was like 5 or 10 minutes later, I got the confirmation saying that I passed phase 2 of the evaluation. So that's the procedure I did. Those are the trades that I entered, and those are the dates. You can go back in the YouTube video and analyze the trades for yourself. The stop loss and take profit are there, and the stop loss and take profit are there. The currency pair is there. I've explained all of them. You can go and review and reverse engineer and see if it makes sense for you as well. And hope you learned something on that. So let's see. This is the email I showed you, and this is my analysis. This is my dashboard. That's my certificate. You can see I am fully funded now. 5K starting. We hope to get bigger ones though, but I'm funded now. That's one right there. And yeah, this is the live account now. No account placed. Today is the 30th of July. It's a Saturday. Markets are closed. We're hoping to start trading current next week, but the Mondays are usually slow. But if we get some setups, we'll place a couple of trades and see how this goes. I'll keep you guys updated on how that goes. Recap on our previous accounts. We had this, that, which got up to 5,255. Though I think this is the valuation phase 2 demo. Then the valuation phase 1, I think it has been deleted by these guys, but they say account status was passed. So is this account status was passed, and I passed it with 54 days left. So had I worked on this consistently, I'll probably have made maybe 5%, I mean maybe 10% or 20%, who knows. Yeah, so one of the challenges we face with these MyForexFunds accounts, all these prop fund accounts, is we tend to rush it. Yet if we took our time, traded with a known strategy that works, we would make money. So that's the only difference. So I wanted to walk you through that, to walk you through the trades that we had taken, and just to give you a slight update on that. Please feel free to share, to like, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more of this content, and grow yourself. Freely given, freely receive. The other thing we'd like to encourage you is look at the description of the video. We describe, if you want to follow some of the trades, I do trade on Exness as well, and you could follow the trades there. There's a social trading app on Exness. You could follow the trades there and sit back and make profits. Yeah, thank you for watching.